Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in today's video, we're gonna change a little bit on our model. So let's go to level 2, and then here we're gonna turn on underlay and change it to level 1 so that we can see whatever we have on this. What I want to do is push this back a little bit. So for now, I could just do this and then just move it all the way right here. In terms of bedroom 1, I'm gonna delete this first. And then we could just close this off. So I have here interior wall. I'm gonna change this to exterior wall, and then this one could be deleted. This one can be deleted as well. I'm gonna extend this one. We could trim this off actually for now. That's good now, right there. That's closed off. And then we could just delete this part right here. Delete this. And then convert this, already converted. TR, trim and extend all the way right here. So we're gonna remove that notch right there. We can even extend this one now actually, because this is only a small part right there. So I'm just extending this, so we have a lot of areas right now here. So we only have this notch there. So if you can see, we have something that looks like this. What I'll do is we need to edit the boundary. So here we could delete this first. Click on pick line, and then we could just pick this line right here. Trim and extend. So that's fine, and then click finish, and then we can just turn this off now. So click none, and then obviously our roof, we need to edit that. So we need to go to 3D, edit this, edit footprint, go to level 2, and then do the same thing as the floor is. And then trim and extend on all of those. And then delete this part right here, and then here. Let's find this one. That's an extra line there, and then connect them. Detach target, and then there you go. So we have fixed this, and then we have fixed the floor, and then we just need to extend this one so that everything is cleaned. Also, if we go to level 2, we need to delete this. So I'll probably undo that. I'm gonna delete this one as well, and then even the TV, just delete it, because we could just add something in front. And then I want to add the room tag as well. Bedroom 1 here. I want to put it back. So that's good right there. And what I'm going to add here is I'm going to add a balcony. So we're basically going to extend this. I'm thinking I'm just going to level them all together. So AL, I'm gonna align it all the way right here. So we need to edit those. That's done. Even right here at the top, we need to edit. And you just need to pull this back, so you're good. And as you can see, everything looks good. This will be moved forward, and then this one as well. The changes that I want to add here is I want this wall to be a little bit thicker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a notch here on this part. So I'll pull this out, nudge this one in place like that, and this is just for design purpose, for aesthetic. And then we're going to add a wall right here like that, and a wall going there. And then now SL, that's split element, delete split element, TR, trim and extend right here, and then right here. So now if we see that, we have something that looks like this. We just need to, of course, clean it up. So let's go right here. We need to pull this one all the way at the back. So that's notch there. Edit this floor. So that's the floor for the second, and we just need to pull it all the way right here, and then SL again, and then TR, trim and extend. And then the roof as well. Edit, go back to level 2, and then do the same thing. SL, TR, and then click finish. And then as you can see, that looks much better. It's easier for us to pull it down and give it some space there. So now I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna select this, edit, and then duplicate. This will be exterior wall number 2, and then edit. I'm gonna put this one 300 for thickness, and I'm going to change the material. So clad white, we can duplicate this. So clad white duplicated, click apply, and then OK, and then OK. So delete split element. What I want here is I want it to be aligned here. So AL, align it from here. So now it's aligned there, and that looks good. And specifically on this side, it will be something that is noticeable. So I'm gonna select. So for this one, I need to split this. So exterior wall first, unjoin element, or just leave it this part, detach, and then this one is the wall again, but I'm not going to attach it first. Okay, so this needs to be changed, so I'm holding on Control so that I could select them properly. And then here I'm going to choose exterior. I'm gonna move it back first, AL, in order for me to align it properly, and then just connect it. So you need to disconnect it first so that you won't have to move it a little bit back. AL, align it here again, and then align it here, and then we could just move the table and the light accordingly. Nudge it in place if you want, and then there we go. And then obviously here we need to nudge it as well. We could just move it like that for now, AL, and then align. This one is, you need to see this. This one is good enough for the, and then I think I'm good with others. And then maybe we could just offset now on all of this. Offset here, here, and then here. I'm thinking of offsetting on this part. Yeah, I'll just offset this in order for me to see everything. Base offset -200, that's the thickness of this one. There we go. For some reason there's connection issues there, so what we're going to do is we're going to change the connection, not that one, but wall joints. So I'm gonna do next. There we go. Still looking there, and we could just patch that later on. I just want everything to look same and extended like that, so that we don't need to do fillers, but at the same time, for some reason it we just need to properly do the intersection here. So that's why I'm trying to do the wall joints. Not the shallow. Miter. Let's try miter. And it's still some of the issues that can come, but let's try and change this on this part. If we change it there, maybe it will change on the square off. Sometimes by just undoing this and connecting it properly, sometimes that fixes those problems. There we go. I think we finished this part right here. Let's try again on this part. There we go. And then we need to fix the second. So only this part now. We're having a hard time. I think because of this issue right here that I need to answer. So now let's go back here. Let's unjoin them. And I think by unjoining them and then just moving it here and then joining it again, it will fix the issue. So now just try and do that. If it's giving you some notch, just unjoin them and do what I did, just changing up wall joints, unjoining them again, and then seeing if it's gonna fix itself. And most of the time it will fix itself, but you just need to be patient. So now everything looks good like that. And then I want to add, of course, go back to level 2, and then we need to add curtain wall. This will be from the inside, and then add here, and then cut geometry, select the wall first and then the curtain wall. I'm probably going to extend this all the way to the ends here. It will look nicer. So now it will look like this. I'm happy with that. Of course, we're going to have something like that all the way down up to the floor level, because we were going to make this one with a balcony. And then I'm just gonna add curtain grills. I'm going to make it 4 of them. There we go. And then let's add the mullion. So we have the mullion already. Let's just add it onto the space that we haven't added. Of course, we're going to change one of them as a door, and then we're probably going to extend this one with a model in place. On the next video, we're going to extend this a little bit more to look nice, and then obviously maximize the height, so all the way until the top -200. -200 for the top offset, and then let's fix those things up later on. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.